In this video, learn how to turn on the camera grid on your iPhone to get better framed photos. You won't find the camera grid lines option in the camera app. You have to go to the Settings app to display a grid on the camera screen and compose your shots. Here's what you need to do. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and head over to Camera. Under Composition, turn on the toggle for Grid. Now open the Camera app and verify that you can see grid lines on the camera screen. It works on all camera modes on your iPhone, including slow-mo, cinematic, portrait, pano, time-lapse, and video. Once enabled, you will see 2 equally spaced horizontal and vertical grid lines that divide the camera screen into 9 equal parts, so you can maintain a balanced composition. This makes it easy to apply the rule of thirds in photography, where your subject sits 1/3 of the way into the frame, leaving the other 2/3 more open. Just ensure that you do not place the subject centrally in the frame. That's it. Learned this nifty trick? Why not elevate your other tech skills? Subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into one of our specially curated videos just for you.